welcome to Tell a Friend. And so today we made this lovely Christmas tree with our friends. And we made 2 stars, and we even got to choose which one we wanted. I chose like this kind of pink and silver. What about you, Ria?
I chose a blue star. And this. Oh, one of my friends, they did the same as me.
A stick here, right? And here on the bottom, it's like, you see that it's like, we put these kind of things so that it will like stand on itself, so that if it's just a stick, it'll tip over. So we put 2 because this one's kind of tall. Right, Ria? Everything was my favorite part, especially the time where I got to spend time with my friends. And the making part, of course. We also decorated gingerbread men. But one I made a girl, one I made a boy. Almost all of the kids made one a girl, one a boy. In fact, I think all of them really did. That's why my tongue's blue. Yeah.
My gingerbread and it tastes really nice.
Yeah, mine too. It tastes really nice. Oh, and did you know that we're counting down and it's 25 more days? So, and Christmas is on December 25th.
We think the elf is going to come to our house tomorrow.
Yeah, I really think so. I wonder if it's going to be the same kind of elf. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!